Good morning everyone. My name is Ritvi Jadhav from class 7B. And today, instead of me talking to you, let's have a conversation about a topic which is near and dear to my heart. Unity in diversity.
Hello everyone, I am Aviraz Singh from class 7B. In which we live, Bharat is the land where diversity is happening the most. We are diverse in language, tradition and etc. But despite these vast diversity, what makes us all together is the unity that runs to the heart of our people. Our cultures, the different cultures, whether are not our barriers, but yet they rather enrich our country's beauty. We speak more than 1600 languages, yet English and Hindi are the two threads that makes us all together. This is the perfect essence of unity in diversity. Let us all always remember that this is our diversity that makes us a unique and unity that makes us all powerful. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Diversity was coined by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He used this phrase in his book Discovery of India, published in 1946. Unity in diversity reflects the beauty of togetherness amid differences. It embodies respect for various cultures, traditions and viewpoints within a society. Despite diverse backgrounds, people unite, cherishing each other's uniqueness. This unity cultivates solidarity, empathy and inclusivity, fostering a sense of unity.
Unity is the strength that converts challenges to opportunities and divisions into harmony. In a world that often highlights our differences, unity reminds us of our shared purpose. It's not just coming together in times of success, but also offering support in times of struggle. Each and everyone brings something unique to the table, and by embracing those qualities, we can do something great. Let us all make up our minds to work together, lift each other up, and build a future where unity is the leading force, empowering us to achieve peace, progress, and a lasting change. At one end, united we stand, divided we fall.
Unity and diversity. Unity and diversity is a concept that signifies harmony and unity among individuals and communities with diverse cultures, religions, ethnic and social backgrounds. This idea nurtures a sense of collective identity and common goals. It encourages the acknowledgement and recognition of diversity and the understanding that differences in language, culture, religion and tradition enrich society.
This beautiful planet we call Earth is home to millions and millions of people, each having their own cultures, traditions, practices, etc. Yet, despite these differences, we all are one human race. We share the same dreams, hopes and fears. Imagine a garden. You have tall trees, small shrubs, weird looking weeds. They all look different, right? We are like that garden. We have different colors of skin. We talk different languages. But we all need the same thing. Love, respect and a good place to live in. So guys, let us come together and let's celebrate this unity and let us embrace this diversity. For together, we are more stronger, we are more resilient and we are more beautiful. Thank you.